That FCB file is a Fritzing custom electronic component, a user-created part definition for the Fritzing PCB design and prototyping application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, import, or troubleshoot these electronic component files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small FCB errors. Take a shortcut and download now. FCB files are custom electronic component part definition files for Fritzing an open-source PCB design and prototyping application. They contain component footprint graphics, pin definitions, connector metadata, and SVG artwork for breadboard schematic and PCB layout views. Fritzing FCB files use an XML-based format, wrapping SVG graphic definitions with connector pin, metadata, footprint specifications, and component property lists. Each part includes 3 SVG views for breadboard schematic symbol and PCB footprint representation. For full editing functionality, FCB requires Fritzing, which is supplied by Friends of Fritzing EV. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows can't load their advanced geometry, so complete viewing depends on professional CAD programs. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the FCB file and click Open With. Test Fritzing if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If you are still having trouble opening the FCB file, do not worry. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, importing the part. Open Fritzing and navigate to the Parts panel. Right-click and select Import, or use Part then Import to load your FCB file. The custom component will appear in your parts library ready for placement on breadboard schematic and PCB layout views. Next, creating custom parts. Use Fritzing's built-in part editor accessed via Part then Edit to create new FCB parts. Define the breadboard schematic and PCB views using SVG graphics. Assign connector pins and set component properties, then save as an FCB file for reuse across projects. Finally, sharing parts. Export your custom FCB parts by right-clicking the component in Fritzing's parts library and selecting Export Part. Share the FCB file with other Fritzing users who can import it into their own parts libraries for use in their electronic design and prototyping projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.